I'm going to use some Market Side organic spring mix. This is from Walmart. And I don't measure anything out, but I do use this fresh. I'm not going to freeze any of it. So I'm going to make a small amount. A lot of parrot owners will tell you that you can freeze chop and thaw it out later. And my bird does not like thawed chop. He will not touch it. So he also won't eat chop unless it has fresh cashews in it. So in order to use cashews for your bird, they need to be raw and unsalted. So I have the Great Value raw cashews. And I use about 8 cashews. And then I also use organic broccoli and organic carrot. Now, if you can't find organic, that's okay. It's not a huge deal, but you do want to try to use organic whenever you can with birds. And I have bunnies too.